welcome back to another Sabas Explained video. Today I will be explaining the 6.1 algebra quiz for the AMS tomorrow that we have. My other friend is already making the whole quiz. He should have made it by now, so please check our video there and he'll explain the full quiz. For this one, I'll just do the 6.1 algebra quiz. Let's start, shall we? For this question, you have to use something in the calculator. It's called log. Log with a little square like this and a rectangle. You have to use its shift form. Do shift log and you'll get a totally new different equation that looks something like this. After you get that, you just have to input what you just have to put in the three boxes the numbers that they gave you here. So all we have to do is 5 this, whatever it's called, x equal to 1, while bracket is 3x minus 2. You can just call the I in here or the a x, it's fine. Just write it x, as you'll see x would be basically in the middle of your calculator. After you write all those things, you'll get, and you press equal, you'll get the answer to be 35. Next question. Alright, for this one, same rule. 3, whatever you want to call this, x equal 1, bracket 3x minus 2. It's not something that you can explain. It's a rule that you have to do. Remember to do shift log in your calculator, and you'll basically get the answer to be 12. Next question. For this one, it's quite simple. There's no rule to it, but here it's a infinite sequence. Basically, they gave you the v. They gave you v1 till v8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basically, I think you guys get what I mean. So, and they said, what's the value of v2 plus v5? You can go over here and see v2 is 5. v2 is 5, while v5 is 26. Sorry for my bad handwriting. All you have to do is just add them up and you'll get 26, and you get 31, my bad. Next question. For this question, another simple one, that if you see this type of question in the exam, you have to check these things, what they gave you, and this equation here. Here they gave us v1 is 5 and v2 is 1. They want to find v4. To find v4, you need v3 first. To find v3, you have to write this equation. v3 is equal to 3. Input the equation, same here. in the calculator, or if you want to do it mentally, that's also fine, depending on the number. If you want to find V3, it would be V3 is equal to 3 V2 minus 2 V1. So it would basically be 3 bracket 1, because V2 is 1, minus 2 bracket 5. Input on the equation, input on the calculator, you'll get equal to -7. Now you have V3. You want to find V4. Same thing, all you have to do is 3 bracket V3 minus 2 bracket V2. So it would be here, what you got, and V3 was -7, if I'm not mistaken. You have to do minus 2 bracket V2, which you'll get is 1. Put the same thing in the calculator. You will get 1. As I said, after you put the numbers in the equation after doing shift log, you will get -23. Next question. Okay, another sigma notation. Same thing. You do shift log, do 12x in the middle, 1 and the x equal 1, and above the m looking thing you do 25. You get 3,900. Oh, and because I didn't draw it, you do 25 x equal 1. Sorry for my bad handwriting. I don't have a pen to use, so I'm using my finger, so it's kind of really bad. But yeah, after you put this and these numbers in the equation after doing shift log, you'll get 3,900. Next question. Okay, same thing, but instead of putting like 3x plus 1, 3x minus 2, anything like that, you do the exact same thing, but you do 10, whatever this is called again, x equals 1. You do 2x squared plus 4x minus 1 bracket 2x squared plus 4x minus 1. Down you do x equal 1, and above the m looking thing you put 10. You'll get 980. Next question, same thing. These questions are really easy if you just memorize what you should do. 10 x equal 1 bracket 2x squared plus x minus 4. Again, sorry for my bad handwriting. Do the same thing. 2x squared plus x minus 4. X is equal to 1, and above the m looking thing, sorry for keep saying m looking thing, I just really don't know what it's called, you get 785. Next question. This one, okay, this time you do something new. Instead of them giving you the numbers and you just adding or subtracting, anything like that, they gave you consider a sequence defined by the rule un equal n squared plus 1. So what you should do, they want the value of u1 plus u5, my bad. First you find u1. To find u1, all you have to do is basically same thing. You write u1 equal n squared, you make it 1 squared plus 1. You do u1 equal to 1 squared is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now that we know that u1 is equal to 2, we have to do same thing for u5. u5 is equal to 5 squared plus 1. 5 squared 25, 25 plus 1, u5 is equal to 26. Now that we know u1 is equal to 2 and u5 is equal to 26, they said just add them here. You do 2 plus, follow the same order. Don't just do 26 plus 2. Even though it will give you the same answer, you know, imagine doing 2 minus 4 when it's supposed to be 4 minus 2. You'll get the wrong answer. So you'll do 2 plus 26, which is u5. You will get the answer to be 28, as you can see over here. Next question. Exact same thing. See, these questions are all about memorizing the rule. If you know what you should do with the calculator and if you memorize the rule, these types of questions will be really easy, like really easy. So they want value of b10 minus b5. Same rule, bn equal n2 plus n. You can make it b, you can make it f, you can make it zx, whatever you want. For this one they gave us b, so we'll just use b. Let's find b10 first. b10 is equal to, take them to this side, 10 squared plus 10. Sorry for my bad handwriting. b10 is equal to 100 plus 10 is equal to 110. b10 equal 110. Now b5 is equal to 5 squared plus 5. You get 30. Because b squared is 5 plus 20, b squared is 25. 25 plus 5 equal to 30. Now that we know what b10 is and b5 is 30, they tell you to subtract them. Of course, don't make it 30 minus 110. Follow their rule, what they want. You do b10, which is 110, minus b5, which is 30. You'll get 80, as you can see here. Next question. No. This question, exactly the same thing. Just use shift log. They want here, it's 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1 over x, what they say here, equal 1. And above this you'll put 40. So basically this is what you do. X equals 1, 3x plus 1, and above you write 40. This rule, you don't really need to follow it. Just input the same numbers in shift log in your calculator. Basically, after doing this and after submitting, you'll get this answer here, 2500. Alright. Thank you guys for listening to me for a whole 14 minutes. I hope you understood from this video. If you don't, please message me in YouTube or in the comments. I'll answer to them, trust me. And yeah, that's all. Take care, everybody. Until next time.